ordering food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Of course. Please, have a seat. Welcome to Riverside Grill.
Thank you. It looks very nice in here.
Here is the menu. Take your time.
Thanks. There are so many choices.
If you like, I can recommend something.
Yes, please. What do you suggest today?
Our grilled chicken burger is very popular.
Is it spicy?
Just a little, but we can make it mild.
Then I'll take it mild, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries or a side salad with that?
Fries, please. I love fries.
And what would you like to drink?
A glass of water and a small Coke, please.
No problem. Any sauce with your fries?
Ketchup and a little mayonnaise, please.
Got it. One mild chicken burger, fries, water, and a small Coke.
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like to hear about our desserts for later?
Maybe after I finish. I might be too full.
Of course. How hungry are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Today, I think a 9.
Then this meal should be perfect for you.
Sounds great. How long will it take?
About 10 to 12 minutes. I'll bring everything to your table.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll be back with your food. Enjoy your time.
Taking a taxi to the airport.
Good afternoon. Are you looking for a taxi?
Yes, please. I need to go to the airport.
No problem. Please get in.
Thank you.
Which terminal do you need?
Terminal 3 for international flights.
Got it. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
I'll put the suitcase in the trunk for you.
That's very kind. Thanks.
You're welcome. What time is your flight?
It's at 8 p.m.
Okay, it's 6 p.m. now. We have plenty of time.
Good. I don't like to be late.
Do you prefer the highway or the city streets?
Please take the fastest way.
All right, I'll use the highway. Traffic is light today.
How long will the trip take?
About 25 minutes.
And how much does it usually cost?
Around $28 to $30.
Okay, that's fine. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, I take both cards and cash.
Great. I'll pay by card.
No problem. Please fasten your seat belt.
Sure. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
The locksmith.
Hello, City Locksmith. This is Liam speaking.
Hi, is this the locksmith?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
I've lost my keys and I can't get into my apartment.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you standing at your door now?
Yes, I'm in the hallway outside my flat.
Okay. I can send a locksmith to you in about 30 minutes.
That's great. Thank you so much.
I just need your address, please.
It's 8 Moon Street, 4th floor, flat C.
Got it. Is there an elevator in your building?
Yes, there is a small one.
Perfect. The price to open the door is $60.
That's fine. I'll pay in cash.
Do you have any ID inside or with you?
Yes, my ID is in my bag and my rental contract is on my phone.
Great. Please show those to the locksmith when he arrives.
I will. Thank you for telling me.
It's a regular apartment door,
Not a special security door, right?
Yes, just a normal door.
Okay, then it should be quick to open.
Will he call me before he comes?
Yes, he'll call you when he's close.
That's a relief. I was really worried.
Don't worry, we handle this all the time.
Thank you, Liam. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome, Emma. We'll see you soon at 8 Moon Street.
The perfect jacket.
Excuse me.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, I found this jacket, and I really love the color.
It looks great. That style is very popular this season.
There's just one problem.
Oh? What's wrong with it?
This one is a size large. It's too big for me.
I see. Do you need a medium or a small?
I think a medium would be best.
All right. I'll check in the back for you.
Thank you. I really hope you have one.
I'm sorry. We don't have any mediums left here. We sold the last one this morning.
Oh no, that's disappointing.
I know. This jacket sells very fast.
Is this the only store that has it?
Let me check our system. I can look at other locations.
That would be great. Thank you.
Good news. Our branch in the city center still has one medium.
Really? That's amazing. Is it far from here?
Not too far. About 10 minutes by bus.
That's perfect. Can they keep it for me?
Yes, I can call them and ask them to hold it under your name.
Thank you so much. My name is Leo.
All right, Leo. I'll tell them you're coming today.
You've saved my day.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy your new jacket.
I'm sure I will. Thanks again.
Have a lovely day. At the garden market.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Green Garden Market.
Thank you. Everything looks very fresh.
Yes, we get new vegetables every morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like some vegetables for dinner tonight.
Sure. What would you like to buy?
How much are the tomatoes?
The tomatoes are $2 per pound. They're very sweet today.
They look nice and red. I'll take 2 pounds, please.
2 pounds of tomatoes. Here you are. Anything else?
Yes, I also need carrots. Are these fresh?
Very fresh. They arrived this morning. They're crunchy and sweet.
Perfect. I'll take 1 kilo of carrots.
1 kilo of carrots. Got it. What else do you need?
Do you have broccoli?
Yes, the broccoli is right here. It's on special today.
Oh, how much is it?
It's $1.50 per head.
I'll take 2 heads of broccoli, please.
Great choice. Anything more?
Just some onions.
We have white onions and red onions. Which do you prefer?
White onions, please. 3 of them.
3 white onions. Here you go.
Thank you. That should be everything.
Let me add it up. Your total is $9.
Here's a $10 bill.
Thank you. And here is $1 change.
Thanks. Everything looks great.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner tonight.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
A quick stop in Los Angeles.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I have a small problem.
Oh, what's wrong?
I've been walking all day and my phone is completely dead.
Ah, I understand. You need to charge it.
Yes, please. And I also want a souvenir for my brother.
No problem. There's a power outlet over there, next to that table.
Really? Thank you. That's very kind.
You can sit there and plug in your phone while you look around.
Perfect. My brother loves Los Angeles. I'd like something small.
We have keychains over here. Many tourists like them.
Oh, this one with the Hollywood sign looks great.
That's one of our best sellers.
I'll take this keychain, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, a postcard too. Do you have one with the beach?
Sure. Here's one of Santa Monica Pier at sunset.
This is beautiful. I'll take it.
So that's one keychain and one postcard?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
It's $10 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. And here's your change.
Thanks for your help and for letting me charge my phone.
You're very welcome. How long are you staying in LA?
Just 2 more days.
Then enjoy every minute.
I will. Have a great day.
A quick stop at the Café. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I have a small question.
Sure. Go ahead.
May I use your restroom? It's a bit urgent.
I'm very sorry. The restroom is for customers only.
I understand. No problem.
If you like, you can get a drink, then you can use it.
I'm thirsty anyway. I'll take a bottle of water.
No problem. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
We have cold bottles in the fridge over there.
Great. I'll grab one.
Is that everything for you?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
It's $2.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. The restroom is in the back, past the stairs.
Thank you so much. You've really helped me.
No problem at all. It's very busy in this part of town today.
Yes, the street outside is full of people.
It's always like this in the afternoon.
Well, thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. On the subway.
Excuse me, I like your headphones.
Oh, thanks. That's nice.
Do they block the subway noise?
Yes, they're noise canceling. Much quieter with them.
They look very comfortable.
They are. I wear them every day.
Where did you buy them?
I ordered them online.
From a big store or the brand site?
From an electronics store website.
If you don't mind, how much were they?
About $180.
That's a bit expensive for me.
True, but the quality is very good.
Does the battery last a long time?
Yes, it lasts the whole day.
Nice. What is the brand name?
They're called Soundshade. The name is on the side.
I've seen that name before.
They have good reviews online.
I think I'll look for them tonight.
Good idea. Sometimes they're on sale.
Thanks for the information. You helped a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good trip, Lily.
You too, Jake. Enjoy your music.
A trip to the vet.
Good morning, Mr. Green. And hello, Rocky. Please come in.
Good morning, Doctor. Rocky is a bit nervous today.
That's okay, Rocky. You're safe here. Are we here for a regular checkup?
Yes, it's his yearly exam, but I also have a small worry.
All right, let's put him on the table. What's the problem?
He hasn't been eating much for the last 2 days.
Is he drinking water normally?
Yes, he drinks well, but he leaves most of his food.
Okay, let me examine him. His heart and lungs sound good. Ears look fine. I'll check his teeth now.
He really hates that part.
I know. I'll be quick. Ah, here it is. One of his back teeth is red and swollen.
So he has a toothache. Poor boy.
Yes, it's painful when he chews, but it's not serious.
That explains why he walks away from his bowl.
Exactly. I'll give him some pain medicine, and we should book a dental cleaning.
Okay, that sounds good.
For now, give him soft food instead of hard kibble.
Soft food only. Got it.
He should feel better in a day or two.
That's a relief. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. You can make the cleaning appointment at the front desk.
I will. Come on, Rocky, let's go home.
Take care, Mr. Green. Bye, Rocky. Car repair at the garage.
Good morning. Welcome to City Auto.
Good morning. I hope you can help me.
I'll do my best. What's wrong with your car?
It makes a strange noise when I drive.
What kind of noise? Loud or soft?
A loud scraping sound from the front.
When did it start?
Yesterday evening, on my way home.
Does it happen all the time or only when you brake?
Mostly when I slow down or stop.
Okay, please start the engine for me.
Sure. 1 second. There.
Yes, I can hear it. It doesn't sound good.
Is it dangerous? I'm a bit worried.
Don't worry. I'll lift the car and check the brakes.
Thank you. I really need the car for work.
I understand. Please wait in the office for a few minutes.
All right, I'll wait.
Okay, I've found the problem.
What is it?
Your front brake pads are very worn. They need to be replaced.
Can you fix it today?
Yes, it will take about 2 hours and cost around $120.
That's okay. Please go ahead and fix it.
No problem. You can wait here. We have coffee and Wi-Fi.
Great, thank you. Please tell me when it's ready.
Of course. I'll let you know as soon as it's done.